Assalamualaikum, my dear brother. This is very important MCQs class for your NTS vaccinator test. It is must class for your NTS vaccinator test. आप इस क्लास को देखने के बाद इंशाल्लाह आप 50% स्कोर हासिल कर सकते हैं अपने रिटन टेस्ट में, क्योंकि मैं जो भी क्लास अपलोड करता हूँ उस क्लास में 20% MCQs जो है वो पास्ट पेपर से रिलेटेड है। ठीक है, आप किसी क्लास को भी मिस ना करें, और जो भी क्लास आपके पास आपके यूट्यूब में आता है वैक्सीनेट टेस्ट के लिए, सो उस क्लास को आखिर तक लाजमी देखें, किसी चैनल का भी क्लास हो। ठीक है, मैं नहीं कहता कि इस मेरे क्लास के चैनल को फॉलो करें, इसको आप जो है क्लास को आखिर तक देखें, नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि जो भी क्लास आप के पास एनटीएस वैक्सीनेटर के आ रहे हैं उन्हें लाजमी देखें। ठीक है, देखने से आपकी आपकी जो स्कोर है वो इम्प्रूव हो सकता है इंशाल्लाह। ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट योर क्लास। Here are all 100 questions from the National Testing Service NTS mock test for the post of vaccinator BPS 6, formatted as job related written test MCQs with their correct answers. So vaccination and job related knowledge questions 1 to 20 questions. So first question, which vaccine should never be frozen because freezing permanently damages its potency? Hepatitis B. B option is correct answer. So next your important question. During an outreach season, a vaccinator discovers that the ice packs have completely melted. What should be the first action? Check vaccine temperature and VVM before use. So B option is correct answer. Next question, which EPI vaccine contains a live attenuated virus? OPV. B option is correct answer. Next important question, after reconstitution, the MR vaccine should normally be discarded after end of the immunization season or within 6 hours, whichever comes first. B option is correct answer. So next question, which vaccine is administered in the left upper arm? BCG. C option is correct answer. Next question, a child has completed OPV 1 and pentavalent 1 but missed the next visit for 2 months. The vaccinator should continue with the remaining scheduled doses. B option is correct answer. So next important question for your NTS vaccinator written test. Which vaccine protects against Haemophilus influenza type B Hib? So pentavalent. B option is correct answer. Next important question for your vaccinator test. The purpose of an ice lined refrigerator ILR is to store vaccine is safely at the recommended temperature. B option is correct answer. So next important question, which disease is caused by Coryn bacterium diphtheria? So diphtheria. B option is correct answer. Next important question. A vaccine while monitor VVM reaches the discovered point when the inner square matches or becomes darker than the outer circle. B option is correct answer. Next question. Which vaccine is routinely given intramuscularly in the enterolated in untrolated thigh of infants? So pentavalent B option is correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not a vaccine preventable disease under Pakistan's routine EPI? Cholera B A option is correct answer. So next question. Which vaccine requires reconstitution with a diluent before administration? MRB option is correct answer. So next question. Which of the following is the best indicator of an effective cold chain? VVM status and correct storage temperature. P option is correct answer. Next important question. Which disease is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis? So tuberculosis B option is correct answer. So next important question. Which vaccine is given to protect against retrovirus diarrhea? So rotavirus vaccine A option is correct answer. So next important question. A severe allergic reaction occurring after vaccination is classified as AEFI. A option is correct answer. So next important question. The safest method for disposal of used to disabled syringes is, so pills them immediately into a safety box. C option is correct answer. Next important question. Which vaccine is included in EPI primarily to prevent pneumococcal PCV? A option is correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following is a contraindication for administering a live vaccine? So, severe allergic reaction to a previous dose of the same vaccine. The option is correct answer. So, next question. These are most important English questions. 21 to 40 questions complete. So, let's start class. Choose the correct sentence. So which is correct sentence? Every child was vaccinated yesterday. B option is correct answer. Next important question. Choose the synonym of prudent. Wise. B option is correct answer. Next important question. Choose the antonym of fragile. Durable. C option is correct answer. Next question. Fill in the blank. The vaccinator is responsible dash maintaining the cold sign for. So for B option is correct answer. So next important question. Choose the correctly spelled word. Immunization. A option is correct answer. It is correct word. So next question. Choose the correct sentence. The vaccines have arrived safely. B option is correct answer. It is correct sentence. Next question. Choose the synonym of eradicate. So destroy. B option is correct answer. It is destroy is a synonym of eradicate. Next question. Choose the antonym of hostile. Friendly. So hostile, friendly, and friendly antonym of hostile. A option is correct answer. Next question. Fill in the blank. The report must be submitted dash Monday, by Monday. So by is correct answer. D option is correct. So next question. Choose the correctly spelled word. Refrigerator. So B option is correct answer. It is correct word. Next question. Select the correct indirect speech. The doctor said invented comma wash your hands before. So what will be its sentence in direct speech? So the doctor advised us to wash our hands before vaccination. C option is correct answer. So next important word sentence, sorry, question. One word substitution. A person who cannot read or write. Literate. B option is correct answer. Next important question. Choose the correct preposition in given prepositions. The child recovered dash the infection from. A option is correct answer. So next important question. Choose the possessive voice. So for this sentence, they maintain the vaccine register regularly. So it is passive voice. B option is correct answer. The vaccine register is maintained regularly. B option is correct. So next important question for your NTS vaccinator test. Choose the correct article. He is dash experienced vaccinator. N. B option is correct answer. So next important question. Synonym of rapid. Quick. B option is correct answer. Next important question. Antonym of expand. Reduce. C option is correct answer. So next important question. Identify the error. Neither of the candidates were absent. So were. C option is correct answer. Next important question. Choose the correct sentence. She is senior to me. It is correct sentence. B option is correct answer. So next important question. Fill in the blank. Secretly had the meeting began dash the electricity went out when. So B option is correct answer. So next your important question. So these are general knowledge and current affairs questions, 41 to 70 questions. So these are most important and related past paper MCQs for your NTS written test. So which is the smallest province of Pakistan by area? Sindh. So B option is correct answer. Next important question. The headquarters of the International Committee of the Red Cross ICRC is located in Geneva. B option is correct answer. So next important question. Which gas makes up the largest percentage of Earth's atmosphere? So nitrogen. C option is correct answer. Next important question. The national tree of Pakistan is Deodar. So B option is correct answer. Next important question. Which mountain range separates Pakistan from Afghanistan? Hindu Kush. C option is correct answer. So next important question for your written test. Which Pakistani city is called the Manchester of Pakistan? Faisalabad. C option is correct answer. So next important question. The currency of China is yen. B option is correct answer. Next important question. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? AB positive. AB positive. C option is correct answer. So next your important question. Which continent is crossed by the equator and the prime meridian? Africa. B option is correct answer. So B option is correct answer. Next important question. Which vitamin deficiency cases scurvy? Vitamin C. So C option is correct answer. Next important question. Which Pakistani dam has the largest water storage capacity? Tarbila Dam. So B option is correct answer. Next important question. Which country is now is the land of thunder dragon? Bhutan. B option is correct answer. So next important question. Which river is called the river of Sindh? Indus. C option is correct answer. So next important question. The headquarters of the International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA is located. Vienna. B option is correct. So next important question, which is the oldest university in Pakistan? University of the Punjab. So which is the oldest university in Pakistan? So University of the Punjab. B option is correct answer. So next important question, Pakistan's national language is Urdu. Which is the highest civil court in Pakistan? Supreme Court. C option is correct. So next important question, the headquarters of ECO Economic Cooperation Organization is in Tehran. Tehran. So B option is correct answer. Next important question, which country has the largest Muslim population? Indonesia. B option is correct answer. So next important question, which is the smallest continent by land area? Australia. B option is correct answer. So next very important question for your NTS वैक्सीनेटर टेस्ट, अगर आपने ये क्लास लास्ट तक नहीं देखा तो आप इस क्लास से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं उठा सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो भी आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं क्लास के वैक्सीनेटर बीपीएस क्लास के, सो उन सारे क्लासेस को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें। मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि आप सिर्फ मेरे क्लासेस और मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे आके मेरे क्लासेस के वीडियो देखें, नहीं, आप किसी भी चैनल के वीडियोस देखें, ठीक है, इसमें कोई बात नहीं है। सो मसला ये है कि आपको लास्ट तक वीडियो लाजमी देखना है, ठीक है। Which gas is most responsible for the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide. C option is correct answer. So next very important question, the currency of Saudi Arabia is Riyal. A option is correct. So next important question, which Pakistani city is famous as the city of science? Multan. C option is correct. So next important question, which is the largest freshwater lake in Pakistan? Manchar Lake. B option is correct. So next important question, which article of the Constitution declares Islam as the state religion of Pakistan? Article 2. B. A option is correct. So next, which ocean lies south of Pakistan? Indian Ocean. C option is correct answer. So next important question, which famous pass connects Chitral with Dire? So Lavari Pass. C option is correct answer. Next important question, which Pakistani province produces the highest quantity of wheat? Punjab. B option is correct. Next important question, which planet is called the morning star? Venus. C option is correct answer. So next important question, the national anthem of Pakistan was composed by Aman G. Chagla. So B option is correct answer. Next important question, so these are most important questions, general science questions, 71 to 85 repeated MCQs. So which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? Pulmonary vein. C option is correct. Next important question, which vitamin deficiency leads to night blindness? Vitamin A. A option is correct. The largest gland in the human body is liver. C option is correct answer. Next important question, which part of the human brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. So B option is correct answer. Which mineral is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? Iron. B option is correct answer. So next question, which part of the Nephron is primarily responsible for the filtration of blood glomerulus. So glomerulus. See, option is correct answer. Next question. Which blood component is mainly responsible for blood clotting? Platelets. C option is correct answer. Next important question. The normal pH of human blood is approximately 7.4. B option is correct answer. So next question. Which organ produces bile? Liver. C option is correct. Which deficiency disease is caused by lack of vitamin B1 thiamine? So bribery. A option is correct answer. Next important question. Which type of joints allows movement in all directions? Ball and socket joint. C option is correct. So next question. The smallest structural and functional unit of life is cell. So C option is correct. Next important question. Which gland is now as the master gland of the endocrine system? So pituitary. C option is correct answer. Next question, important question. Which blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs? So pulmonary artery. C option is correct. Next important question. Which infections disease is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus? AIDS. AIDS. B option is correct. So next question. So these are most important mathematics and IQ questions. 86 to 95 questions completely. A vaccinator vaccinates 18 children per hour. How many children will be vaccinated in 7 hours? So C option is correct answer. 126. C option is correct. Next question. A vial contains 20 doses. If 7 doses are used, how many doses remain? So 13. C option is correct. Next question. Find the next number 3, 9. So 27, 81. So 24, 30. Means 243. P option is correct answer. Next question. Complete the analogy doctor, hospital, teacher, school. So teacher, school. School is correct word. Next question. C option is correct answer. Next question. If 25% of 480 children missed vaccination, how many children missed it? 120. C option is correct answer. So next important question. Which number does not belongs 8, 27, 64, 125, 150? So here correct answer is 150. So C option, sorry, E option is correct answer. Next question. Ali is taller than Bilal but shorter than Ahmad. Who is the tallest? Ahmad. C option is correct answer. So next very important question. Find the missing number 11, 22, 48, sorry 44, 88, 176. C option is correct answer. So next important question. If yesterday was Friday, what day will tomorrow be? Sunday. B option is correct answer. It is a boring question. If today Sorry, yesterday was Friday, so tomorrow will be Sunday. Next important question. A health center receives 540 vaccine doses for 9 union councils equally. How many doses will each union council receive? So 60. C option is correct. Next important question. So Islamiyat ethics questions. So very important questions. Which pillar of Islam is observed during the month of Ramzan? Sawam. So C option is correct. Next important question. Which angel brought revelation to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Jibril alayhi salam. C option is correct. So next important question for your written test. In healthcare ethics, the principle of beneficence means acting in the patient's best interest. B option is correct answer. So next your very important question. Which of the following is considered an essential quality of a public health worker? Integrity. C option is correct answer. So last question for your vaccinated test. This is very most important class. Inshallah you can get so 50% score from this class. The Quran describes Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as Khatimun Nabi, Khatimun Nabiyin, seal of the prophets. A option is correct answer. So my dear brother, ये जो क्लास था इस क्लास में जो है 20% जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपके पास्ट पेपर से रिलेटेड हैं एंड 30% जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो रिलेटेड हैं सिलेबस से और अदर 50% जो क्वेश्चंस हैं फ्रॉम मॉक टेस्ट. थैंक यू.